Hello peeps, welcome to my channel. This is the first video of my new channel, and I would like to introduce you to the world of cryptocurrencies and software engineering, mainly related to cryptocurrencies. So I'll try to mix both and teach you how to program related to cryptocurrencies. And to start you in this world, I will teach you how to buy Bitcoin, because you might not know what cryptocurrencies are, but you have heard about Bitcoin, and I will teach you how to buy Bitcoin. So the easiest way to buy Bitcoin is to go to an exchange and purchase Bitcoin, to buy it with your credit card or with a normal bank transfer. Of course, you could ask a friend that already has Bitcoin. There are many ways to acquire Bitcoin, but I'll teach you like the easiest one, which is to go to Coinbase, which is an exchange that allows you to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And you can do this with euros, or dollars, or pounds, or whatever currency you have in your country, assuming that Coinbase is available in your country, because it's not the case for all the countries. So if you search Google for Coinbase, you will see it here. And this is actually in German. I will change this to English for the purpose of this video. It's in German because I live in Germany, Berlin. And so basically what you have to do is, once you are on the Coinbase website, and you should make sure that you are actually on the Coinbase website, which is www.coinbase.com, you should check that you have here the green lock, which means that you are on a secure connection to Coinbase. And then you have to enter your email address. So after you click Get Started, you enter your first name, last name, email, password, like the usual registration form. I suppose you can do that by yourself. And once you do the registration, you'll need to confirm it on your email, and then you can access Coinbase. So after you register on the Coinbase website, you will be asked to confirm your email address, to do the two-factor authentication with your phone, and then you have to verify your ID. And this is very important for you to understand that this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin is not anonymous. Many people have this misconception that Bitcoin is anonymous and untraceable and can be used for illegal activities, but it's not so easy as some people might think. And I can actually explain you how to do all this stuff in a future video. So you have to verify your identity. So I already have a Coinbase account, so I will not do this now. But basically you have to select the type of ID that you want, and you have to wait a little bit. It depends on the amount of new users that they're having, but usually it's quite fast. Might take, let's say, 10 minutes, half an hour. And after you do this, you can either buy a Bitcoin with a credit card, which I don't recommend because the fees are quite high. It's 4%. So the process that I use is to actually do a normal bank transfer, which of course takes 1-2 days, which sometimes might not be very optimal because of the volatility of Bitcoin. You might really want to get Bitcoin at a specific moment, but it really helps you to save a lot of fees if you use a bank transfer. So after, if you click Add Payment Method, you have a bank account or you have a credit card, credit or debit card. And if you use a debit card, you have a much smaller amount of possible investment. I don't remember, I think it's like 700 euros, maybe 900 euros. And if it's a bank account, it can go up to 100,000 euros. So it's up to you which method you prefer. And I will put actually the referral link to my Coinbase account. So if you open Coinbase account through my link, I will get 8 euros in Bitcoin, and you will also get 8 euros in Bitcoin, or $10 if you are using dollars. So I would really appreciate that if you don't have an account yet and you are creating an account, that you do it from my link. It will help me, it will help you. Everyone's happy. And basically, buying Bitcoin then is very, very easy. You just go here to the Buy, Sell tab, and you have to add a payment method. So I actually created this account just for the purposes of this video. So I will use my real account so that you can easily see what you can do. So to buy Bitcoin, what you have to do is to click on the buy and sell tab and click here on buy, and then you have all these 4 currencies and you should buy Bitcoin. I mean, you can buy whatever you want, but for the purpose of this video, I will explain you how to buy Bitcoin, but the process is exactly the same for any other cryptocurrency. And then you choose the payment method. So you have to choose between, as I already explained, between a bank transfer or credit card. If you do it here, you will use a credit card. Otherwise, you will have to do a bank transfer to Coinbase first. And all the process is very, very simple. You just follow the instructions. And then you will have euros or dollars or whatever in your wallet, and on your wallet inside Coinbase, and then you can use it to buy the currency that you want. And then you just specify here the amount of money that you want to buy, and then you just buy Bitcoin instantly. And then it's very simple. And then you will see that you will have Bitcoin here on your portfolio. So right now I only have Bitcoin. And that's it. Basically, you have Bitcoin. And in future videos, I will explain how you can use this Bitcoin to buy other cryptocurrencies that are not here available at Coinbase, but that you might hear about in other places like Twitter or Facebook or whatever. And I will explain everything that you need to know. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. I would really appreciate that if you don't have a Coinbase account, that you use my referral link. And if you want to invite other people to join Coinbase, you can go here to invite friends. You click on your name, you go to invite friends, and you can click this get $10 or 8 euros, and you can send this link to your friends and they can open the account, and then you get 8 euros and they get 8 euros. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure that you get notifications on my new upcoming videos. And I will also put in the description links to my Twitter account so that you get updates that I might post. So thanks very much for watching, and more good stuff coming soon.